Cinnabon worker, who said terrible things to a Somalian couple and even admitted to being racist on camera, has now received almost $60,000 and is being praised by MAGA. They're trying to justify her behavior by saying the couple, of course, started the whole incident, therefore her racism was justified. However, multiple different reports suggest the worker started the confrontation by making fun of the woman's hijab. But either way, it doesn't matter what the couple did or didn't do, racism is never justified. Take a look at how much money MAGA has sent this woman so far. They've changed the goal multiple different times. Now it's over $100,000 and she's raised $59,000. There are also several people on social media praising this woman, saying that she is a hero. This account claims they harassed her, then started filming, saying Somalis are very deceptive. They only filmed the reaction to the harassment. These people are filthy animals. She snapped and set them straight. This guy says, "I am a daily customer. I will never buy another Cinnabon after you fired that lady who was harassed by foreigners trying to do her job." This is America and we stand with Americans. Again, multiple different reports confirm this worker started the whole confrontation by mocking the woman's hijab. But MAGA doesn't care if this behavior is justified or not, they will support it either way. The Cinnabon worker.
So, what the dude in the video was saying before was that there were a few people. There are not just a few people, there are thousands. Look at this, they were harassing her. Some heroes wear aprons. Heroes wearing an apron, not a cape. I'd like to see what provoked her. How come you left out the part where the guy... it's crazy. Nothing justifies racism. And I guess it's true. Racists stand together. This is just, it's honestly just sickening. And here's some more. That battle of the line between funny and actually scary. Look at that one. That first one. If I wasn't married, I'd drop to one knee and ask her to marry me. Yeah, there's not just a few. There are thousands. And it's sickening. Then we have the disgusting scum of the earth like this making these videos for what is that, Patriot Tech. This person right here is there's no name for him.
The Cinnabon worker was fired after a tense exchange with a Somali couple who repeatedly criticized her for showing her hair and arms while she was on the job. Witnesses say the couple confronted her several times about her appearance, creating an uncomfortable situation and putting pressure on her while she was working. After being pushed for a while, she finally reacted, and the couple recorded only that moment, making it look like she was at fault. People familiar with the incident say the recording left out the earlier harassment that led to her frustration. The firing has sparked discussion about how companies evaluate these situations and whether employees are being judged without the full context. A Wisconsin Cinnabon